Let me show you all of the motions and gestures that you can find on Samsung Galaxy S26. So first of all, we'll need to access our gestures and motions, and you can do it in the settings page. Then look for advanced features, and here we can find motions and gestures. Let's start from the top and then we'll move to the bottom. So first thing is lift to wake. If you enable this option, you'll be able to enable your screen when you pick up your phone. So if we lock it, then sit it on the table. If we pick it up and then it actually detects that it's in our grip, the screen should wake up. So as you can see, it works fine. Then we have double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. So you need to again lock your device, and then when it's dark you can double tap like this to wake it up, and then double tap again if you want to lock it down. Next thing is alert when phone was picked up. If you enable this feature, you'll be able to get alerted if there was somebody calling you and you didn't notice that. So if there was a call when your phone was laying somewhere, and then if you pick it up, it will vibrate to let you know that there was a call. Then there's mute with gestures. You can mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. So there's two options for that gesture. You can either put your phone like this on the table, or you can cover it with your hand. If there's a incoming call, it will be muted in both scenarios. Then there's palm swipe to capture. You can swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. So it should look like this, and that way you can make a screenshot. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.